Hello guys, welcome back to Podgorica Meadows, home to the team Montenegro. So yeah, the qualifiers was yesterday and one of them has to get pole. Be right back. Alright, so Auckland got pole position followed by Lakshadweep, Samoa and Amania. Pretoria, Fiji is in 5th place. Runner Fiji actually. So are we ready for the 8th Grand Prix of Marble Infinity? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're off. Auckland's in 1st place. Now Samoa just got in. Auckland's in 2nd place. And Lakshadweep is now 1st because of Samoa of that turn now fell back to 12th place. There's 21 laps. Yup. Some of them are far behind because they hit the wall. Now lap number 2. Auckland's now 1st place after their foliage, whatever. And here's where all problems began. Auckland fell back to 5th place. Fiji is now in 1st place. Polestar in 2nd. Lakshadweep 3rd. Okay, Samoa's now falling back. Lap number 3. Can they still win? There's only like 18 laps remaining. Most of them are far behind. And Polestar is in 1st place now. Auckland is in 3rd. Auckland's trying to make a move right there at the 3rd last turn. But whatever, lap number 4. Auckland trying to get it. Trying to get the first win. Or whatever his win is. Auckland is now 1st place again. After being moved to 3rd place. Okay. The host Montenegro still at 8th or 7th. Now lap number 5. Auckland's. What a move for them. Let's take a look who's far behind. It's Sololati. Okay, Fiji got in the lead. Auckland fell back to 3rd place. Montenegro is in 6th place. They're in 15 in overall standings. But overall, now lap number 6. Fiji out in front. The leader, the team Fiji, is in 1st. Auckland is now 2nd place. Lap number 6, we think. Okay, yeah. Okay. Bottom 3 marbles are fighting for last place. Montenegro is still falling back. Lap number 7. Fiji has still had the lead, but Pretoria is now 4th place. Who fell back in 5th place after the last Grand Prix. Pretoria is now in 4th, and Auckland is in lead. Again, that's the 3rd time. Okay, lap number 9. Yeah. First of all, they made this track before Montenegro got independent. Fiji is trying to make a move right there at the turn. And now it's just between these two. Fiji trying to cut that gap. Okay, some marbles hit that side. Lap number 10. Auckland's still 1st place. He's trying to get a win here. They got pole, so that's why. And Fiji just made a move. Pretoria is stuck. But most of them got free. Okay, the gap between 2nd and 3rd is really, really huge. About 2 seconds. Now lap number 11. Let's take a look who's far behind. There's the storage again. Fiji trying to make a move there, and he almost got stuck. That's lap number 12. Okay, lap number 12. Now lap number 13. Lakshadweep is now 3rd place. Pretoria still falling. But most of this Grand Prix is very long. Auckland's now 1st place again. 13 laps. Whatever. Oregon's still last place because of that stoppage early. What about we make this fast? So lap number 14. They're so fast that they can handle it. Oh, Fiji just gotta stop. Pretoria's now 2nd place. Now lap number 16. Yeah, I don't know why I did fast because of the storage there. Pretoria's now in third place. Top 3. Now lap number 17. Most of them are not far behind. If one of them is far behind, then that's red flag. Okay, most of them are like 16 seconds. Lap number 18. Auckland's still first place. Montenegro and Pretoria and Samoa are fighting. Pretoria got third now, and Samoa just get it back. Pretoria has also stopped. Lap number 19. Montenegro, the host, still trying to get a podium. Yeah, Fiji. Vonter is now third place. We never see him in his podium like twice. Lap number 20. Penultimate lap. Okay. Auckland's still leading, by the way. Fiji trying to get in. Auckland gotta stop. That turn right there. Now final lap. Who will win? It's between these two. Yeah, that's a difference. And Fiji trying to make a move. Yes, they did. They made a move at the final corners. Samoa, Pretoria, Venter, Pulsar, and Handros trying to get it. And Fiji wins. Yeah, picture. I think that's all. Auckland second, Samoa third. Pretoria so close. Congratulations for Fiji, Auckland, and Samoa. Those are the top 3 leaders, actually. Yeah, according to the leader overall standings. Yeah, Pretoria's so close, that's why. So let's take a look at the score. And here's the score overall. Fiji is still first place by 100 points. The only team who made it to 100. New Zealand still second place. Samoa third. South Africa is now fourth place after jumping out Belize. That's the reason why. And only 14 to 16 cannot win the Marble Infinity Championship. I misspelled M-I. It's M-I, not M-L. Yup. So our winner from the first season, Venezuela, is in 8th place. That's going to be 50-50 to win this championship. So we're going to be ready for the 9th Grand Prix hosted by South Africa. Cape Town Bay comes next week. So long everyone, bye.